Hi, I'm Sam with Mr. Landscaper, and I'm going to show you why our kits are the way to go. These are our customers' favorite microspray irrigation kits. They're so easy to install. They come with 50 feet of poly tubing and all the components to go from your faucet all the way to the end of a landscape bed, flower bed, trees, shrubs, and even vegetable gardens. Now the difference between these two kits is just really the stake assemblies. We have a green, very hidden color that goes in and blends in well, and then we also have a tan color that goes really well with rock gardens. These kits cover about 250 square feet of area. So if you have flowers in a small bed or you have flowers in maybe a little bit larger bed, there's different components, like you have different microsprays. There's half circles that are already installed on the stakes, but we also have full circles and quarter circles and even a strip spray for you to try out. This is our Mr. Landscaper Premium Microspray Kit. It has all the components you would need to go from your faucet all the way out 100 linear feet. The kit has 10 of our stake assemblies. They're already assembled for you. There's a microspray already attached. It's a half spray, and it also comes with other microsprays in the kit. So if you wanted to look at our other patterns, we have half circles, full circles, quarter circles. They're all in this kit so that you can change them out and get different spray patterns. This is our vegetable kit. So if you have a raised bed or if you have a vegetable garden in the ground, this would be the way you'd want to water it. And inside each kit, you have your 50-foot roll of tubing to go right off of your faucet. We have 100 feet of inline drip tubing, and we also have all the components so that you can run from the faucet all the way to the end of the vegetable beds. These are our smaller kits, and we have kits that will do potted plants and hanging baskets. One kit has adjustable pot stakes so that they spray a little pattern down into the pot, and then we have another one that's adjustable dripper. And then we also have a kit that will do retrofit if you want to go from any underground irrigation system to these drippers or microsprays. We also have a bird bath kit, and with this kit you can actually run from the microsprays or the dripper system and put one dripper inside the bird bath. So every time you water your plants, you're filling up your bird bath. We also have a fix-it kit. Now, if you wanted to do any maintenance around your microsprays or drip irrigation, we have all the components in here to repair anything that may have gotten broken or damaged from like a weed whacker. Now, if you want to fully automate any of the kits that we've been showing you today, all you need is a timer. You can simply put one of these battery operated timers right directly onto the faucet and hook up any of the kits. These timers run off of 2 AA batteries, and they're totally adjustable, so you can have them come on several times a day. You can have them come on just once a week up to several times a week. And they're very, very easy to program. Inside each of our kits, we put in a product guide. There's all kind of diagrams showing how you use our products. There's also details of all the products on the back, giving you descriptions of all the products that we do have. And then on our website, there's instructional videos showing you how to install each one of these kits. To learn more about these amazing kits from Mr. Landscaper, just click on the link below.